celebrated with laughter and music. Stage of the magnificent marine city, a story was told about a king and queen who lived in the marvelous winter palace. When the princess was born, they celebrated with a feast. All the good herbs possessing infinite youth gave the princess the gift. Evil fairy Carabosse was angry that she went and cursed the princess, saying that she would have had years and one day, while wandering through the Wonder Palace, she stumbled upon an old woman and a spinning wheel. Aurora pricked her finger, and the old woman revealed herself as the evil fairy Carabosse. But the violet were